so we got it all folded in half. I was thinking we could kind of do the line all the way up and out the arm. So basically what we need to do is just fold, 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 fold. We'll fold them separate, they don't have to be folded together. And then just paint them the same. Up the center. So here's what we end up with. The line going there, it's folded in half, the line going down, the line going down. So I'm gonna fold it now. If we didn't have that line right now, we'd be in trouble. Pretty lined up. It's not perfect, but I have these rubber bands. I'll slip one on there. Scrunch it up. Scrunch this all up. This is going to be like a weird little scrunchy. Kind of a stripe on our pink. Remember, we've got our pink here, so let's put it in order. Let's put it so we have the whole pantsuit. There's the hood, there's the legs, this is the pants. So if we keep a line right here, when you put the outfit on, it should match. It will be pretty cute. As long as you stay within a color scheme, it's gonna look awesome. Plan. So here's the pink line. I don't know if you can kind of see it. I'm going to go down the pink line all the way. And I'll put a little more yellow than I think, just because I want it to soak in deep. Okay, here we go. I let them sit for, I don't know, an hour or something, maybe 45 minutes. I was having all kinds of technical difficulties. Soak it pretty good, because that red's really going to look cool next to that yellow. That's what's going to give you your rainbow hues. So, I mean, even though you feel like you're soaking it a lot, you're probably not with these sponges. Whereas it always looks good right here. Turquoise. Throw some right in here too. Throw some on the top, throw some turquoise on the both ends. You have two choices. You can either get a big piece of plastic. If you have your whole table, you can do this. You can put them in a little plastic bag and then wrap it up carefully. Maybe put a label on it and put some tape on there so you know what it is. Just to keep it for 24 hours, 12 hours at least. Make sure that it gets really bright. So put another one in here. So now someone could actually put those like in a paper bag and take them home and wash them at home. So that's kind of cool. That's what the kids did at the school. When I taught the junior high kids, I had a big group of almost like 100 kids. What are those? That's the pants. I've never used Myers, but we'll try. Okay. Here is the hoodie. Looks like it goes this way. And then you open it up. And there it is. So whatever little spots or whatever were on it, they're definitely not in the way now. So let's put that one in the water. The other side, and you open them up, and there they are. Tie-dye pants. I mean, I don't even remember what spot was anywhere, and then do we really care? They turned out so awesome. So we'll put them in the water. Well, I'm just getting them straight out of the dryer. I put them from the washing machine right into the dryer. Looks like they're gonna be awesome. And then what else? The hoodie. On the pants. That was an amazing score. And there it is, completely finished. Looks awesome. Don't be like me, because I got that dye around early, remember? And it did get on the pants a little bit. If you couldn't sell them for like perfect if you were trying to make $1 million. Can you see right there? But otherwise, I mean, I don't know. There was something on the bottom. Remember there was something on the cuffs of the sleeves we saw? You can't see anything on the cuffs of these sleeves. It looks gorgeous. And then there was a spot on the front, and there was a spot on the pants. I mean, no. Tie-dye solves all problems. And there's the back of the hoodie and the back of the pants. So the hoodie got some cool little designs in it. It looks pretty cool. I don't know if you can see it in the light here. I think we come out here. The hoodie definitely got some cool designs. I like it. And the pants. They turned out really cute. always requested that I do a long sleeve shirt and then these shorts that she got. And you can see this has some spot on it. I got it at Goodwill. But it's a really nice shirt. It's in good shape. It's 100% cotton. It's from Hawaii. It felt nice. So, there's the front of it. And then these shorts are super cute too. So, she wants pastels. We'll see what I can do. That's not going to be for a couple days. Stay tuned.